What happens at Burning Man after dark? Let's find out, but first smash that subscribe button. Thank you. A lot of camps hosting different parties. You can find event for any taste and any type of music, and it can be outdoors, indoors, anything you can think about you can find here. Just look at these bicycles. They are amazing. They're like separate art objects and everything lights up. Just amazing. This was kind of a special party. It was on Saturday after big rain. So it was very cool to party even in mud. This is famous pyramid. One of the best lineups are here. And look at this, it's just amazing, like a real nightclub. At night, almost all art objects are getting kind of second life. They will light up, some of them start firing fire. It's definitely worth visiting, both during the day and at night. Just look at this. At night it looks like little Las Vegas. So many lights. This art object was pretty cool. From outside it looks just like a regular bear, but inside there is a kaleidoscope with a lot of cool objects. And this was a cactus, so there are 4 seats, and also people can drive through it on bicycles. And this was flamingo camp. Just look how many flamingos are there. Isn't it amazing? Here's the main man of Burning Man 2023. Inside there were places where you could sit down with your friends and talk and walk around. And this is temple, place pretty sacred for a lot of burners because they come here to say goodbye to their loved ones. Art cars is probably what impressed me the most at Burning Man. Just look at the variety of shapes, colors, lights, and everything. Here you start believing that everything is possible, whatever you can imagine.
for another day. Spend my time in my lingerie. Lately been doing holiday. Cheap tequila and a Beaujolais. Got my partner in disarray. Spend my time in my lingerie.
This is one of the famous art cars. It belongs to Camp Porta Pari. It is called Hell's Diner. It's one of the older art cars and it is pretty cool. This one is also pretty massive and pretty impressive, I would say. Let me know in comments what art car you like the most. At Burning Man there is a rule that anyone can climb any art car and ride it when it's operating, of course. So we had to try it. It's also a great way to see Black Rock City from the top a little bit, especially if you're riding kind of taller art car. At the end of Burning Man, almost all art gets burned. We witnessed burning of one of the objects. It was called Phoenix. It was brought by Ukrainian camp, and the idea was that inside of a wooden box there is a metal statue of Phoenix, which symbolizes Ukraine and everything it goes through right now, but it will rise from ashes, the same way as Phoenix did. For such events, a lot of art cars come to the playa, a lot of people there, and everyone sits down and watch how it burns.